Okay, so number 7. Uh, so one important thing is if you have two functions, this is f of x, this is g of x, and then it's a and b. So the area is just integral a b f minus g dx. Okay, so this is the formula we want to use. So this is absolute value of x, and then this is this line is 1 3 minus 1 1. So this is one. This equation y is x plus 2. So this is the area. Basically just x plus 2 minus x from minus 1 to 1 dx. So the answer is A. This problem is tricky, but once you know the formula, then it's easy. Number 8. Simple. If sigma an converge, then limit n goes to infinity an must be 0. But this function, limit n goes to infinity n plus n over divided by n minus 1, limit is 1. So sigma an diverge. Choose E. Choose E. Choose E. K digits are to be chosen and written. What is the probability that 0 will not be chosen? We choose K. So choose K. Without choose 0. So basically it's 1 minus, let me see. So for each time you have 9 over 10 chance to, this is big non-zero. But you have K times, so you can do the power K. So this is the answer. We choose E. We choose E. Because each time the chance that you don't pick 0 is 9 over is 0.9, right? So in K times, which is independent events, so just 0.9 to the power K. So the answer is E. The answer is E.